Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unboxing the Nest WiFi Pro and placing the primary unit near your modem. Plug both devices into power. Once plugged, make sure your phone's Bluetooth and location are enabled and open the Google Home app. You will be prompted to add a new device. Tap Add, then Set Up Device, and follow the on-screen scan prompt. This step pairs the hardware to your account. It's quick, and it establishes the control plane between your phone and the Nest device. Once the primary unit shows the pairing light, connect its WAN port to the modem using the Ethernet cable. The LED will pulse while it negotiates. You will be asked to name your network and set a password. Choose something memorable yet secure. Then, add any additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro points. Plug them in around the house. Follow the app prompts to add each point and assign a location name, so the system can map coverage and optimize channels automatically for you. You finish by running the app's mesh and speed tests to verify coverage and throughput. Once done, the app will recommend repositioning points if needed. Make sure firmware updates complete. They fix stability and security issues. If you encounter problems, first reboot the modem and primary Nest, then check Ethernet and power cables. If coverage is poor, move points closer to the primary unit. As a last resort, perform a factory reset and repeat the setup to clear persistent configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.